Hi friends, today I am going to show you a delicious recipe that's easy to make at home. Let's start by taking 100 grams of soya chunks. Next, take 5 chopped onions, which is about 400 grams. Finely chopped 5 garlic cloves. Half cup green peas, about 70 grams. Handful of coriander leaves. 2 bay leaves. 5 cardamom. 1 inch cinnamon stick. 5 black peppercorns and 2 cloves.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Take 1 liter of water and bring it to a boil. Now add soya chunks to the boiling water and cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. Once done, take the soya chunks out of the boiling water. Then add them into the cold water and let it cool. Squeeze out all the water from the soya chunks and keep them aside. Then finely chop the soya chunks until they resemble mince. Once done, keep it aside. Next, take a pot and add 1 tablespoon clarified butter and 2 tablespoon oil. Now we'll add whole spices, garlic, and stir fry for 15 to 20 seconds on low flame. Then add onion and saute them for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Then add green peas and stir fry for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 Veg Maggi Cube, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon salt, and stir fry for 3 minutes on low flame. Add 100 ml of water and mix it well on high flame. Now cover and cook for 8 minutes on low flame. Mix it well. Then add the minced soya chunks, handful of coriander leaves, and saute for 5 minutes on low flame. Add half teaspoon Garam Masala and 100 ml of water. Mix it well. And then cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Mix it well for a minute on high flame. and add 1 tablespoon butter and mix it well on low flame. And our Veg Soya Keema is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!